Hi, this is Stuart, and I'm showing you an interesting video today. And I have never thatched a lawn like this in my life. This is the first time, so I wanted to show this to you. I first came out and worked for this client, and I aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And this is how the lawn came back right in here, beautiful and green. And but the client made a mistake and used a broadleaf killer. And he used a broadleaf killer that I suggested, but he mixed it up too strong. So actually he killed whole sections of his lawn. So once again, we're in the repair process. These areas that you see that I have heavily torn up or thatched, I did my best to remove them, was where the chemical spill happened. So now the chemical's out of the soil now, and just the burn marks are left. So what I have done is gone in here with my thatcher and spot thatched and just ripped out the dead sod and dead moss that he had in here. And now later on, they're going to cut it, and then I will come back and aerate, reseed, and fertilize again for the client. And once again, this is Stuart, and I was just showing you what happens sometimes when I'm out in the field and how to deal with certain situations. Once again, this is Stuart. Thank you. Bye-bye.